teach you how to make a banana stem poriyal. It's very easy and simple, and banana stem is rich in fiber and it's very good for health. Even women can take it only once in a week. So let's see how to prepare it. First, let's see the ingredients. You need banana stem, grated coconut and curry leaves, chopped onion and red chilies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black urad, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. First, you have to cut the banana stem into small pieces. Chop it into small pieces and put it in water mixed with buttermilk. This prevents the change in color of the stem. Now let's heat a KADAI. Add oil. Once the oil heats up, add mustard seed, black urad, dried red chili, curry leaves, and saute well. Saute until the black urad turns brown. Now add the chopped onions and saute well. Just drain the chopped banana stem from the water and add it and mix it well. Now add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin seed, and mix it well. Add the salt as per requirement. Now close it with the lid and cook for 5 minutes until the water goes off. Finally, add the grated coconut. Tasty and healthy banana stem poriyal is ready. If you like my recipe, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for latest updates.